case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1960, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case National Labor Relations Board v. Insurance Agents International Union, which centered on whether the board could regulate the bargaining process and if economic pressure is allowed under the law. The case originated from a dispute between Prudential Insurance and the Insurance Agents International Union during contract negotiations, which led the National Labor Relations Board to accuse the union of interfering with Prudential's business through on-the-job conduct. The court's task was to determine if the union's economically harassing activities could be considered a violation of the National Labor Relations Act. The lower court had ruled in favor of the union, stating that economic pressure was permitted under the duty to engage in good faith negotiations. When the case reached the Supreme Court, the justices held that the board did not have the authority to find the union guilty of violating the act based on its conduct during negotiations. The board's order was set aside, and the case was remanded for further proceedings to determine if the union engaged in insincere bargaining. As a result of the case, the National Labor Relations Board was instructed to use Section 8(b)(3) of the Act to regulate conduct during negotiations and gather more evidence to support their claim about the union's lack of good faith in the bargaining process. The decision reinforced the importance of respecting both parties' freedom to negotiate while ensuring their obligation to engage in good faith negotiations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.